Welcome to Too Long Didn't Read Spanish. Today we're going to talk about subjunctive mountain. So the subjunctive, you've already learned, has to do with if there's doubt or if there's not doubt. So one thing I like to use to cement this idea is the idea of a mountain. So imagine you are climbing up this mountain and you're thinking, can I climb up this mountain or not? You're all the way down here. You need to go all the way up. So right here, you're probably thinking, I can't do it. It's impossible. And up here is your flag. If you get there, you finally got it. So we're going to divide our mountain into two different parts. This is the I got it, I know I can do it. This is the I'm not sure if I can do it or not. So this is going to use the indicative. And over here, we're going to use the subjunctive. And the line between those two is this. We're just going to put an imaginary line there. So I'm up here. I've already climbed it. I'm thinking, I can do this. I got it. I'm down here. I'm thinking, I'm not sure if I can do it or not. So let's divide up the subjunctive into three different levels here. So imagine there are two big rocks along the way on this mountain. And we're going to divide up this idea of doubt a little bit more than that. In terms of doubt, here we're thinking, we might be able to do it. We can probably do it. So we're going to change this to, we know that all of this is subjunctive. This is going to be possible or probable. Here we have doubtful. And here we have impossible. So those are three different sections. So if I'm going to write a sentence using one of these grammar points, here I would say impossible. So es imposible que suba. Es imposible que suba la montaña. So here we have a lot of doubt, the most doubt we can have. So we're going to say that this thing is impossible. If we go up a little bit more, so our dude has gone up a little bit on the mountain. It is not impossible anymore. He's here, he's looking at the rest of the mountain, and he's saying, I still don't think I can make it, but now it's doubtful. It's not impossible. So if we're going to use the subjunctive again here, we could say something like, es dudoso que suba. And again, if you're looking at the last letters there, those are all subjunctive conjugations of the verb subir. So now he goes one more step. And is he at the finish line yet? No, he's not at the finish line yet. We're saying it's possible or it's probable. And we're still in the red zone, so we're going to use subjunctive. So, es posible que suba. Or we could say, es probable que suba. So for both of those bad boys, we're still using the subjunctive form. So he gets all the way over here. He has climbed the mountain. He's going to use the indicative. And here, instead of suba, we're going to just use the indicative form. So, yo sé que sube la montaña. O yo sé que puede subir la montaña.